Stand to block. Guys, good morning. Today we release another defense counter. So the execution goes like this. For instance, your opponent attempt to attack with you like that. So you are going to deliver inside kick, then spinning strike to the face, and then apply a judo combination which is known as uso to great. Then finish to the ground, twist the arm like that. So the execution goes like this. Let's stand to the block. Those are the known as the sequence. So this is nationwide combat karate association, flag stand to the block.